Hi guys, welcome back to Slow Fashion Mom. I'm Rachel and today I'm showing you how we are packing light for an upcoming family vacation. So we are going on a 1-week all-inclusive vacation in the Dominican Republic. I will be packing one suitcase with all 4 of our belongings. I usually like to travel carry-on only, but in this case I'm flying down with the 2 kids and then my husband's joining us a few days later. So just for ease and to make getting through the airport and the flight easier on myself, I'll be checking one suitcase, and then the kids and I will each carry on our backpack of our personal belongings and entertainment. Also, there's no fee for checked baggage on this flight. We are each allowed to have a 50-pound suitcase, which I find is a little crazy, so we will just be taking one suitcase with all of our stuff in it. Okay, so here's what we packed for our week's vacation. So this is what we are taking on our vacation later this week. I'll show you our carry-on bags in a separate video. Thank you so much for watching today, and please leave me your packing tips down below. I absolutely love to hear them. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe if you'd like to see more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.